To allow alert for appliances and other when sound notification is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration, tap notification categories. Under appliances and other section, tap the gray on off switch next to allow notification to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will notify you when sound notification feature is on, and it detects enabled appliances and other sound such as appliance beeping, landline phone ringing, water running, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.